Good morning, everyone. Today's video, we're gonna tackle cleaning up all this copper cable. This is from an old video I did. I found this in one of my dumpsters coiled up, and I've been trying to get around to clean it up. We have had a bunch of people ask, oh, how much, you got to do a video of when it's cleaned up, how much it weighs, how much it pays, they always say. So today, we've got the big machine we just bought, and we're going to take this down to our shop and get it situated. It is a very heavy load. Well, just
oh, they're too big. Never mind. That's not good. Video right from the get-go, or?
yeah. I got that's the stuff. Of course, you saw the crate.
Double casing.
And
Ready?
yep, let's see what it does. Real tight going in. Stuff is thick. Look at that.
Some of them aren't.
Some of them are dark though, yeah. So,
Still.
but I mean, the Bear Bright will go for Bear Bright.
Copper.
Yeah. And then we lay it on the scale. That's at 25. 29.35. Scale only goes to 30, so we'll take that first group off. This one is 24.59. Get a little sticky once in a while, right?
Yeah. They hit the little bend on the end of them. You gotta push them all the way through till it's flush.
Yeah. It is nice though.
test.
Yeah, test because it's got them kinks in it. There you go.
Not too bad.
Watch your hands. My goodness, look at how much. This one is 29.15. We can only go to 30 pounds and it overloads the little scale. This load is 27.62. This one is 28.06. This one is 27.74 pounds. So this one is 27.05 pounds. This one is 27.13 pounds. This load is 29.87 pounds. This pile is 29.54 pounds. This one is 29.02.
You can't help but see mine.
Yeah.
This one is 28.19 pounds. This load is 29.96 pounds.
Now trash can.
So here's the last of it.
No, this is all all that big stuff. This is all this.
9 pounds, 8 ounces,
Stranded.
or 9.8, whatever. The other casing we got, it's got, how many wires are in there? 5? But they're braided. But we've got quite a bit of that too. So let's see how much that weighs. Not to me. Pull that open, see what it does.
I think you gotta go down a little bit. A little bit?
Yeah, look at that.
It's missing in different spots.
That's it.
You only get one wire. Double my productivity.
Now you gotta take one of your feet, just stick them in and put it.
Now you ain't working hard enough. I don't want to get too close to this stuff.
This
Not the wire.
is tin clad,
No, some of it.
and it is 12.13 pounds.
I think you got it adjusted.
Okay, that's the last of that. And that is 27.17 pounds.
You got almost sea owl the other day.
So that's what they call tin copper, I believe. It's a little less price, but it's nice and
We went by that house.
sellable.
Yeah, like that's gonna hurt it. He finally got that.
So we're all done the big table. There's a lot of bare bright in there. There's a lot of really dull.
Yeah, my
I'm gonna give a